शेनवारा दिवाडे गोंयचे फामाद पारंपारीक मालार बोनेरां जालीं। फाटलीं 20 वर्सां जालीं दिवाडे ही बोनेरां जाता। जाणटे नेणटे भुरगीं उमेदीन ह्या उत्सवांत वांटेकार जाता। अर्डेक्स गोवा खातीर दिवाडेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झल रॉड्रिगीज।
संजय
personalities here with us. I hope you enjoyed your trek. I think we're ready to move on to the village of Malar, here on the island of Diwar. Boys with the flags immediately after the pickup, and then we'll have the girls follow on.
This year, Malar Bondana, we thought we would go back to our roots. And something like Bondana Ki Pasoi is actually happening somewhere half a kilometer from here. And this is what was Bondana some years ago.
Festival actually is our heritage festival. Marius has been organizing heritage festivals, and in the light of that, one of the festivals, actually the festival of Diwar is Bondera. So these people of Malar, led by Marius Fernandez, are organizing the Bondera festival in a unique or own way, along with the Carmel student Dempe.